In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make files online only with Dropbox for optimal storage management. Let's get started by ensuring that the Dropbox desktop app is installed on your computer and you're successfully signed in. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Dropbox website and download the app for your operating system. Once you have it installed, sign in with your Dropbox credentials. This is a crucial first step because the entire process requires you to have access to your Dropbox on your computer. Now, let's navigate to where you store your files. If you're using a Windows computer, you can do this by opening File Explorer. Once there, look for the section labeled Dropbox. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to open Finder and find Dropbox in the sidebar. This is where all your Dropbox files and folders are visible and accessible from your desktop. Next, you'll need to locate the specific file or folder that you want to turn into an online-only entity. This means that the file will be stored in the cloud, freeing up space on your hard drive, yet still easily accessible whenever you need it. Browse through your Dropbox folder until you found the item you're looking for. It's important to double-check you have the right file or folder selected to avoid any issues later. Once you have your file or folder chosen, it's time to bring up the context menu. On both Windows and Mac, this is done with a simple right-click on the file or folder in question. When you're using Windows, you might notice an option called Show More Options. Go ahead and click that. This reveals further actions you can take with your file. One of these will be the option to Make Online Only. After clicking Make Online Only, you'll notice that the icon next to your file or folder might change slightly, indicating that your content is now stored online instead of taking up space on your physical drive. This is a great solution for freeing up storage, particularly if you have a large number of files or if certain files are not frequently accessed and don't need to be stored locally. And there you have it. This simple process will help manage your storage space more efficiently, ensuring your computer runs smoothly while keeping your files safe and accessible in the cloud. Remember, with Dropbox, you can always retrieve these files from any connected device, maintaining flexibility and access no matter where you find yourself needing them. That wraps up our tutorial on making files online only with Dropbox. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.